others to dream more, do more, and become more, then you are an excellent leader. A very peaceful afternoon to one and all present here. I, Khushbu Jadhav, take the opportunity to welcome you all on this special occasion of investiture ceremony of our school, Bilimura International School. I happily welcome our chairman, Honorable Mr. B.G. Bhatia sir, our respected principal, Mrs. Krupa Parmar ma'am, all dignified teachers, and all my dear students on this special day. Our students, those who are here, are on the brink of a new chapter in their life. The investiture ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skill and ability of our students and is the most prestigious ceremony in the schedule of school events. This ceremony is one of the first momentous occasions of the school where a newly elected and selected of the school senates are officially vested their powers and positions. Students of today are the torch bearers of tomorrow. When we develop personality, skills, and mind, we develop responsible human beings with leadership qualities. So now, for the deep information for this ceremony, I would like to request one of our faculty, Mrs. Nutan Chauhan, to please come forward and address the gathering. Please give a huge round of applause.
Principal ma'am, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students. Today here I am for sharing my view on investiture ceremony. Investiture means to invest or install. So according to me, by organizing such events, the school invests, installs, inculcates or establishes some valuable virtues in students. Investiture ceremony is one of the most important ceremony for the school. It is a significant event that showcases the essence of leadership and responsibility of the students. It is a passport to the future leaders. It paves the path for the future leaders, which leads them towards their goals and helps them to bring forth their potentiality. One cannot ignore its importance at school level, as it provides students with the opportunity to step into leadership roles. Through the process of nomination, election, and appointment, students learn valuable lessons about responsibility and decision making. The process of selection and appointment is based on merit, including academic performance, discipline, and extracurricular involvement. Through this recognition, students gain self-esteem, self-confidence, and motivation to excel future. This is the best platform for their overall development. This ceremony plays a vital role in promoting school spirit and culture. It provides a platform to showcase the values, traditions, and achievements of the institute. It holds a great significance in shaping the leaders of tomorrow. Though it is said by a wise man, leaders are not made, they are born. But school is a platform where the future of student is shaped. As our school's signature logo is, unlock your ability. It is crucial for our school to organize such ceremony to unlock and empower abilities and potentiality of young leaders. In short, it is a holistic approach towards the future leaders. I would like to conclude my speech with a quote by Jack Welch. Before you are a leader, success is about growing yourself. Before you are a leader, success is growing about yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. Thank you.
For your valuable words. Leaders are not born, they are made. So start the felicitation ceremony from our house, Karma. Give a big round of applause for house Karma.
Election has been one of the events where all the students were interested and were very curious to know the results. The whole process of election in BRS has received amazing involvement by all the students. May it be the campaigning or the patient audience during the speeches of each and every candidate of all the houses. The efforts of all the candidates were appreciated. It was the first and had the maximum voting, which was noteworthy. The candidates interacted with the voters and they convinced them to vote them, which displays their leadership. As the day of election approached, a systematic, non-biased voting system was carried out. The real-life practice of voting procedure was arranged by the school and it was all under the guidance of our authorities. Students from standard 2 to 11 casted their votes, followed by the teachers. Counting of the votes was carried out in presence of the headmasters of all houses and our principal ma'am. Recounting of votes was also carried out for each category of all the houses. Recounting has been the most exciting part of the whole procedure. Recounting of votes had to be carried out 3 to 4 times for deciding the winners of some categories because the difference was not 10 or 20 votes, but it was just 1 or 4 votes. All in all, it was the guidance of the authorities, hard work put in by the teachers, and the wonderful audience, all our dear students, that has made the whole procedure a successful one. Let us celebrate the success and continue further with this ceremony. Thank you.
self-esteem. To give more than I receive from the school. I would provide positive leadership and uphold the position to the best of my capabilities. To practice courtesy and patience with my juniors and will be willing to guide them as and when necessary. To conduct myself with integrity and honor and lead my house with true sportsmanship. To be fair and just to all with no prejudice towards any person. To use my position only for the welfare of school, teachers and students. Be present at all school functions and to encourage students' participation for the same and to ensure the smooth conduct of these. For me, the role of A is more than a badge, popularity, or a fancy title, but a chance to make a positive influence on all my fellow students, teachers, and if not, I am more than willing to learn from them in process. I pledge to a school, teachers, and my fellow students my devotion and perseverance. Thank you.
Congratulations to all of you. આજે બધા તમારા અંદર એક નવી રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી માટે તૈયાર થઈ ગયા છો અને તમે ઇલેક્ટેડ મેમ્બર્સ છો અને સિલેક્ટેડ મેમ્બર્સ. આઈ થિંક તમારા બધાનો રોલ છે ને એક બ્રિજ તરીકે રહેશે. બ્રિજ બિટવીન સ્ટુડન્ટ એન્ડ મેનેજમેન્ટ. તો એકદમ મજબૂત બ્રિજ બનીને તમે લોકો કામ કરો કે જેથી આવનારા વર્ષોની અંદર એટલે ડીઆઈએસની હિસ્ટ્રીની અંદર ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટુડન્ટ કાઉન્સિલ છે. તો તમારા કામના આધારે છે ને આખી ભવિષ્યની રૂપરેખા કે ભવિષ્યનું કામ છે એ નક્કી થશે. તો તમે એવું બેન્ચમાર્ક સેટ કરીને જાઓ, એ પ્રકારનું વેલ ડિસિપ્લિન્ડ એટમોસ્ફિયર ક્રિએટ કરીને જાઓ કે વર્ષો સુધી લોકો એના ઉપર ચાલે અને સ્કૂલને એક નવી ઊંચાઈ સુધી લઈ જવામાં મદદરૂપ બને. અને તમને જે આ એક્સપિરિયન્સ મળે છે એ એક્સપિરિયન્સના આધારે તમે લોકો પણ તમારા જીવનની અંદર નવી ઊંચાઈઓ પ્રાપ્ત કરો, લીડરશીપના ગુણ તમારી અંદર ડેવલપ થાય એવી સ્કૂલ પરિવાર તરફથી હું આપ સૌને શુભકામનાઓ પાઠવું છું. આ એક બહુ રિસ્પોન્સિબલ જોબ છે કે જે તમે કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છો અને આ જોબની અંદર આજથી તમારા બધાએ મી ભૂલી જવાનું છે. ME અને મી નો એમ છે ને ઊંધો કરી નાખો એટલે શું થઈ જાય કે આજથી તમારે બધાએ પોતાના માટે નહીં પણ સમગ્ર સ્કૂલ કોમ્યુનિટી માટે એન્ટાયર સ્કૂલ માટે કામ કરવાનું છે. એમાં એમાં કોઈ પણ તમારા સગા નથી, કોઈ પણ તમારા વાલા નથી, કોઈ પણ તમારા મિત્ર નથી, કોઈ પણ તમારા નજીકના નથી. દરેક વ્યક્તિ સાથે તટસ્થતાથી વર્તવાનું છે. તો મને તમારા સૌ ઉપર ભરોસો છે. સમગ્ર વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ જે તમને ચૂકેલા છે એમને પણ તમારા ઉપર ભરોસો છે કે તમે તમારી અંદર જે બેસ્ટ એબિલિટી છે અને બહાર લાવશો અને તમને જે રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી મળી છે અને ઈમાનદારીપૂર્વક નિભાવવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરશો. ફરી એક વખત વિશ યુ ઓલ ધી બેસ્ટ. થેન્ક યુ.
Happy afternoon everyone. Myself Nuha Patel, the newly appointed head girl. Firstly, I would like to thank all of you for having the faith in me. I shall ensure you guys that I will fulfill my duties with full honesty. I realize that being the head girl isn't about being better than anyone else. It's about having the trust of the student body to organize and represent them with honesty. Together, with your support, we'll make this school an even better place for learning and growth. Thank you once again for your support. Thank you.
Good afternoon all, one and all present here. Myself Harsh Manushali, and as with your wish I am standing here as the head boy of the school, and with your support and the trust which you gave, with that support and trust today I am here. I just want to say that I will perform my duties well and without any partiality. I will try my best to have best conduct of the school. Thank you.
And I'm present here, respected principal ma'am. Happy afternoon to one and all present here, respected principal ma'am, Bhatia sir, and all the faculty. Today, I am standing here as a proud representative of House Kartavya, and I would like to express my gratitude and thanks towards the school management, to the teachers and all the students for their vote. Thank you for giving us the vote. Thank you.
Happy afternoon to all are present here. Myself Zin Doshi from Standard 9, and I am really grateful to my teammates and teachers to choosing me as a house captain of Group Pratishta. I promise that I will be the best version of myself for this house with the cooperation with you all. Thank you for voting.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself Parmar Mahek from Standard 10. Thank you for choosing me as your leader. I will try my best to lead the group, and I will make sure that each and every one of us make our school proud with all our dedicated efforts to each and every one. Thank you.